we're making fried steak with vinegar. Very simple dish, straightforward. First you pound the meat. Be careful first. I'm using Scotch fillet. If you think it's a bit too fatty, you can cut some of the fat off. Then I put it there, oil it on one side, put some pepper on it, some oregano, salt, not too much, and then I'll do the same on the other side as well. Thank you, Philip. It's so helpful today.
Yes, thank you.
Do you make that at home as well?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, that's
So
it.
tasty.
So I usually marinate this up in for an hour beforehand, before I fry it if you want to. And otherwise you can just do it and just cook it. It's not a problem. Okay, so I've just put a little bit of oil in the frying pan. Make sure your frying pan is very hot, because you've got to cook it really quickly, because otherwise the meat, you know, goes a bit dry. Just inside it.
You already can smell the oregano, can't you? Yep. Beautiful.
Only a couple of minutes on each side. Two minutes. Scotch fillet is very tender, just very quickly on high heat. Well, after it's fried, we're just going to add some wine vinegar. Just let it fry a little bit longer.
Got nice colour on it on that side, hasn't it?
So then you add the vinegar. Yep. Just give it a bit of turn on both sides so you can put the vinegar on both sides.
Yes.
And you've got the beautiful juice of the meat and the vinegar, wine vinegar.
Perfection, that's what I call
And that's it, easy fried steak. With vinegar, oregano, you can even add garlic if you want to. It's up to you. And it's ready. And you can dip your bread in the sauce if you like, and nice salad, and you're done.